Good morning. We are just hanging out waiting for his first nap. He didn't take his early morning nap, but I think it's because he slept so late for him. What? He usually wakes up at 5 and he slept till like 6:30, but he didn't sleep through the night. He did wake up a couple times, but he did good. He slept a long time. So this morning, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, we just have a couple errands to run today. Pretty boring day, but we're gonna go play for now till he's ready for that nap. And then after his nap, we'll go run our errands. He does this with his playhouse doors too. I've got to remove, where is it, that door stopper, I think, because, and put one up top, because he hasn't noticed it yet. I'm going to remove it in a second. He hasn't noticed it yet, but those are really dangerous. If the like white caps fall off, they're a choking hazard. So I got to remove that and add one at the top that he can't reach. Oh, just spin up. What's up with that? Yo. You have to taste test everything. You sleepy? You getting sleepy? Look at that puppy on your booty. Look at that booty puppy. I love you. We're just leaving Half Price Books. They were restocking the whole store, so it was like I was trying to dig and it was crazy in there, so I couldn't vlog much at all. But I got him lots of books, surprisingly lots of St. Patrick's Day books. Were you a good boy? Were you a good boy? You driving? You driving us? Where are we going? Beep! Where are we going? Are we in the grocery store? Are you driving to the grocery store? Beep beep! We are here to get you this Mystery Machine lunchbox. Yes. To keep his bottles, because he likes them cold now, and his food in when we go places. Here's your new lunchbox. Look at your new lunchbox. What do you think? For your food and milk. You kissing it? From all my errands, just looking wrecked. Sometimes I look at myself and I'm like, did you really leave the house like that? Oh my God. I never would have left the house like this pre-baby, but now I'm just like, I don't even care. So I was gonna show you guys the books I got for him, for his learning wall. This isn't for his learning wall, it's just anytime I see a Bernstein's Bear book he doesn't have, I get it. I was trying to find Too Much Birthday because I'm trying to collect birthday books for May, and it's really hard to find themed birthday books. There are not a lot of them out there. So I was trying to do like a birthday theme for his playroom for his birthday month, and I mean, if you guys know of any titles, let me know. I might just have to buy them full price. So I wanted to get Too Much Birthday, but they didn't have it. So I got that because we don't have that one. I got Clifford's First Easter. It's a lift and flap book, and it's in really great condition. None of the flaps are broken. So that was awesome. So I'm putting up, because there's probably enough Easter books, but there's not. I didn't think there would be a lot of St. Patrick's books, but I found a decent amount. But I'm putting a mix up on his bookshelf instead of only St. Patrick and only Easter, because I don't need to go buy that many books. I can keep them up for the next March and April till Easter. So pulling the sticker off this one. That one was, what did it say, like 3 something. This one right here was $1.50. It's called Easter Babies, a Springtime Counting Book. Did I show it? Okay. Little Critters Easter. I have an Easter book already for Bernstein Bears, so I need to pull that down out of my holiday basket of stuff I bought on clearance. So I have that already. Okay. Then I got this book called St. Patrick's Day in the Morning. Some of these books are like intense books. But the thing is, he just likes hearing us read. And we read now we'll read his hard books, and he looks through his hard books. But like, we read these kind of books during bottle time when he's winding down for nap, and he just lays there and listens. Another thing is, I don't want to buy all like, sorry, I'm trying to pull a sticker off. All like these, this was $2.99 in case I didn't say. All these like baby books, because I want this, you know, these themed books I buy to last a few years. So over the next few years, they come back out at that holiday. You know what I mean? So I'm buying stuff that will last him for quite a few years. I mean, I read Bernstein Bears. I mean, probably till I was like 10 at least. I loved Bernstein Bears. Okay, then Max's Easter Surprise. This one was $1.99. This is Looking for Leprechauns. Like, I couldn't believe how many, I was so happy with how many books I found for St. Patrick's Day. Lucky Tucker. It's a book about a leprechaun and a dog, which I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. The Leprechaun's Gold. The Night Before Easter. This is so cute. Here comes T-Rex Cottontail. And Peter Cottontail's Busy Day. And this is the Lift, Flip, and Flap book. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Jackson really likes quesadillas. And I found organic tortillas. Only 5 ingredients: organic, preservative-free, organic cheese, and organic black beans. So we're kind of having an unhealthy dinner, but I try to make it a little healthier. But he really likes quesadillas, so I let him have them once in a while. It's 7 o'clock, 7:30 on a Thursday night. Jackson's asleep, and what is Heather doing? Oh, getting coffee. Yes. Got myself a coffee. I'm gonna try to like do some cleaning tonight. And I'm at the Dollar Tree because I want to work on his sensory box stuff tonight. Because this weekend I have some toy stuff that came in the mail that I want to do videos on. I need to film his 9-month update. We have a date. He has swim. And my sister's coming in town to see him on Sunday. So got a lot of stuff to do. Yeah. I might film some stuff Sunday night. I don't know, we'll see. I got the word wall done. I got all the Easter books out and all the St. Patty's Day books out. I have his St. Patrick's Day sticker stuff out. This is his sensory bin. And instead of sensory bottles this time, I did sensory bags, glitter, and then hair gel and stickers. So I'm gonna end the vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow.